Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. Now, I hope you guys are doing great in the quarantine period. The lockdown has already extended and still there are a lot of websites which are delivering the essential products, but still I would suggest you to get only the essential products. Do not buy the products which are not really essential and just you are shopaholic and you are just kind of buying it. Do not do that, because that is something still India is in the risk of getting affected from COVID-19. So please do not go into too much of shopping, online shopping as of now. Yes, being a YouTuber, I'm saying that because it is not very safe. If you are safe now, you can shop a lot after this period, but if you are not really safe now, you won't be able to shop in future. I hope I do make sense, so please do not go for that. So what I will be sharing in the further videos is mostly about skincare and what we do at home, what the best we can do to pamper ourselves at home. But yes, having said that, there are few products which I already ordered in the month of Feb or Jan that I might be sharing, but I'm really not sure about it, because if you see the shopping videos, always you would love to shop, and which I really don't want, and I will not ever suggest anybody to do that. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about what are the best lip balms that you can use without using lip shades and on. I'm sure people are at home and nobody is crazy enough to use lip shades or lipsticks at home. I don't use it. But having said that, summer is there and I stay in Hyderabad. My region is very dry and I do not want to damage my lips. So the first thing before lip shades, every time I was introduced to are all the lip balms. So lip balms was all time my savior, because in the college time I was not very prone to lipsticks and all of that. I always rely on the lip balm. So I think lip balms are something which we cannot rely on. So today's video is going to be about what are the best lip balms that will help your chapped lips to look good, plump and better without even having anything makeup. So I've already shared a video where you can do a normal skin touch up or whatever you can say after the shower, that I've already shared the video. So next video back to back I'm shooting is for the lip balms. So these are all my saviors and I will be talking about in the further video. Please do stay tuned to the video just to make sure that how lip balms are better than your lipsticks and how they are the most saviors in any part of the life and what quarantine have actually taught us. First lip balm which I will be talking about is I Cannot Stay Without It, which is Maybelline Baby Lips. These are in the variants, they come in a lot of variants. I am in the shade Broadway Red. So this is what it is and I really love this, and they come in a lot of shade and I also love the red wine of it. I usually use this. Also before going to sleep, also make sure that you use lip balm after taking shower. You do it whenever your lips get chapped, please make sure that you use lip balm. So many of the people who knows me personally knows that I cannot do without lip balm. No matter with the lipstick I can do, but without lip balm I cannot do. So that is the first thing. Again, I do not know the price, but it is pretty much into the 150 to 100 range. The next thing I have been using for like since college days is the Eva lip balm. This is one of the lip balm which is my favorite, and they comes in a lot of shades. So I usually love the raspberry of it, and the color is somewhere like this, and it gives you a normal the normal color of the raspberry. For example, if you have it and they look phenomenal, trust me, they are the best ones. The next is cocoa lip balm. Sometimes if you are very bored of the normal lip balms, then go for some flavor, which is again choco lip balm. This is one of the favorite and this is readily available in the medical store. For example, any drugstore you go, it is easily available. So try to use the lip balms which are easily available in the drugstore. That in that way it is free of a lot of things like chemicals and all of that. Do not use the chemicals on all those products in your normal day life, which doesn't make sense at all. So this is the Choco lip balm, which is very super cute. This is how it looks like. The bad thing about this is I have to use my fingers and it is not advisable. Not just because of the COVID-19. I do not like, as a hygiene purpose, to normally use my fingers to apply the lip balm. So I generally use this in the bedtime, this lip balm. I normally love to use such lip balms which you can roll and then use it. It's in that way it is hygienic also. And keeping this time in mind, please go to the drugstore and use such lip balms which is a roller type, because this lip balms you need to apply fingers and do not keep any contact with your face, lips or anything, just to be safe. The other thing is the Himalaya lip balm, which is so old. This is not even mine. This is my hubby's lip balm, which he loves to use. I don't know why, but he loves this lip balm over any other lip balm. I've given him Nivea, I've given him Neutrogena, but I don't know, he's a big fan of Himalaya, so he loves to use this. And even I was some time was a very big fan of this, but nowadays I do not use them. I got a better options, but boys don't have options, so they use this. The other thing, the luxurious lip balm, if you say, is from the Oriflame. So this is the Oriflame lip balm. I missed everything of his, but this is the beautiful Oriflame ka lip balm. It is usually a very it doesn't have color. It's a normal transparent lip balm, which I really love. But if you, just in case you want to give a tint to the lip balm, you can just mix any of them with this color. So I've given the color to this lip balm a little tint so that it looks better after shower. So, but again, this Oriflame lip balm is having a lot of benefits. I'm sure if you go through the packaging, you will be aware of that. This is one of the finest lip balm I've ever witnessed after Nivea. So I really love this. Coming to the higher range, it comes this. There are a lot of other lip balms from the Minisos and everything. I do not want to, show that, because for that, just in case if you are watching the video and if you don't have, you will be cribbing to shop for it, and nowadays shopping is no, it's a very big no. The other thing which I wanted to introduce myself and yourself to lip scrub. It's very important that just not use lip balm and lip color, also use the lip scrub. So now this, I just now opened the packaging. It came in the PR packaging. This is the Moksh lip scrub. It is somewhere look like this. This is a lip scrub. I really love this. It is also in the cocoa flavor. When I open, it comes like this. It smells amazing. Looks like an ice cream packaging, man. And I just now opened it. So when I apply it at the back of it, it is completely full of sugar. Yes, so sugar particles and a little bit of coffee, because coffee and sugar, and I think these are the main things which we use for the scrubbing of your lips. And also I really love it. I feel like eating it. Don't eat your lip scrubs. So that's a little bit of disclaimer. So even not only lip balms you use, you should be using the lip scrubs as well, because it's very important that when you scrub your face, it's very important to scrub your lips as well, because there are a lot of dead skins. I don't know what I'm today. There are a lot of dead skins and all of this, and they need to be get rid of.